Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Sikukune 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Tipot, I'm a fans with viewers at home. Guys, today let's invite you. I'm a fans with you to take a share or a boga. A game between Iskokone, the Sundowns. And then today, if one was a straight talk, last week, Saturday, Gabon abantu play ma kuma viewers ngolo mntu othulayo ngumuntu othulayo obukayo kwangazi ukuthi mangikhomba uEric Tinkler ngomunwe kwangathi ngiyabheda kwabaningi and then ngayenza ya straight indaba ukuthi udefender thina nje kukhona zamdedela yabona ke ipain eqhamuke ePeter Mokaba Stadium today iyalanda straight enhlizweni yami ukuthi ngambona ukuthi uEric Tinkler is a sellout
Kahle.
ukwazile ukudefend iOrlando Pirates Football Club wa promise each and everyone ukuthi should dangerous sadlala i-goalless i-draw nil. Today I think after 90 minutes considered 2 goals just like that and ikhona into ethi kuma interviews wakhe ukhosha oqala othi iSundowns izothatha i-league izodefend i-league yayo. How come ngothi ngathi ukuyi competition
Race.
Praise your enemy or your opposition ukuthi lona uyena uzongishaya ngilahle phansi. Yeah, that's why ngithi abalandeli somehow kumele babosibheka masikhuluma ibhola ukuthi sikhuluma according to what, because njengasilazi ibhola selidlala siyayibheka into ukuthi le ngabe ilwa nathi noba lo muntu uzodefenda each and everyone. It's obvious ngisazophinda ngisho ngithi angazi noba uPSL is only Orlando Pirates Football Club na efuna le Betway, because if sonke kuPSL nisala ma team awu16 bese kwi tight competition ngabe iSundowns akekho ufuna ukuyinikeza ichance. Yeah, ngabe sonke siyazi ukuthi hayi akuyilibuyayo. Today sokumele manje ngithi ke namhlanje please Orlando Pirates supporters, let's fill up i-Orlando Stadium. Konje kusasho ukuthi Orlando Stadium selifile lokho selingcwabile. I-Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Amstel Arena. Bafowethu, let's fill up Orlando Amstel Arena. Senze sure ukuthi le game ethu sodlala nemagesi use do or die, because now angibethemba umakhelwane. Kungenzeka kushona ilanga la Wednesday later kuzoba iThursday umakhelwane babesebelwa kwiposition number 2, ngoba mawuthi uyabheka sina 29 points umakhelwane bana 27. Ofish mabengawina bathi in 30. Yabona ukuthi incindezi iyamane ifuna ukwakhela phezukwenye. Le league sibe sibheke ngenye indlela, kodwa manje after siqedwe ukwehlulwa lwa 3 point sibona ngathi sokunencindezi seyivela manje. But we as a player number 12 we Orlando Pirates Football Club, weekend Saturday 6 o'clock kumele siyenza lento be very simple kubadlali bethu basifile ukuthi no competition still open and iBetway siyanokha futhi siyayifuna, and ngokuxhaso lwethu nothando lwethu sibapha isupport away and home bazoyithatha iBetway. Bheka baba kunjani ePeter Mokaba weekend compared to today. Base abantu masithi Pirates team enkulu bas opposite bathi si team endala kodwa sibe sibabhitha ngabalandeli sibabhitha nanga performance
Yeah.
sibabhitha nanga macup
Yeah.
kodwa abantu team endala abavuma abantu ukuthi Pirates we continental eAfrica is the whole Pirates team enkulu
Yes.
will never umise lokho mawusamisa lokho shokuthi usalwa nenhliziyo yakho
Yeah.
thina ke samabhakaniya sidayibonaneni bafowethu siyambongela nje ukuthi ubani kanjani insizwa lena elawula ezemidlalo lapha ku Sundowns lebe Black Seme ngamabhodlela wamanzi yathola iscratch bani Flemingburg bathu bese drive kwasa isiphelile ukuthi last week ubekade bemgijimisa bekashawa bathu bese kuyena bese drive kwasa ngalo 3 point abawutholile bewu hand over uEric Tinkler. Watch your space Cardoso, please watch the space. Eric Tinkler, they want to take over your job. Siushebile Eric Tinkler. We're looking for you. We are ifuna le Sundowns kuyicoach. You can't give the Sundowns the only few minutes we need is the 2 goals. Watch the space. Cardoso, pull up your socks. Otherwise, Eric Tinkler is after your job.
That's full now, man.
Yeah. Thank you, my friends. Love you guys.
Thank you, Chairman. Love you too,
Yeah.
yeah.